Hey y'all, how about today I show you how to make yummy, yummy, churned nice cream. Plant-based, whole food, oil-free, delicious! And it reminds you of your childhood when you used to have an ice cream machine and churn it in the summer. And well, I mean now they're electric, but I guess all of them are. Anyways, let's begin. Hey y'all, how about today? Plant-based foodies on. How to make them. Let's begin. I'm going to show you how to make a brownie chocolate ice cream because we made brownies yesterday, and so naturally I want to use those. But down below I'll have typed up how to make mint chocolate chip, peanut butter, strawberry, things like that. So again, to the bowl we're going to add 1/3 cup of sweetener of your choice. This is just pure cane sugar. You can use agave, whatever. This is almond butter, and it's 1/2 cup. If you have allergies, you can use more of a neutral butter, like a cashew butter or a peanut butter. If you want to make peanut butter, like chocolate peanut butter, be good. So there's that. Because I'm making chocolate, I'm going to add some cocoa. This is 1/4 cup of cocoa. And then this is 1/4 teaspoon and 1/8 teaspoon of just salt. So my ice is melting. I'm trying to talk fast. So we're just going to whisk this all up. And then we get that cocoa in there. If you do not have a ice cream maker, you can make this the same and like pour it in like ice cube molds, let it freeze, and then put it like in a blender or a food processor. I don't know, there's something nostalgic about using a ice cream maker. So get all that whisked up. And then just pour it in and churn according to the manufacturer's directions on your ice cream maker. That's it, y'all. So I'm gonna get this going and churning and see y'all probably in a couple of hours, but I really like it good and creamy and yummy. So see y'all soon. This is gonna be great. So after, actually get a towel, it's churned a while, you're gonna have some yummy, yummy, I mean look at the consistency of this, y'all. It just looks delicious and just like any ice cream we've ever eaten. Now you can eat it directly like this, or you can put it in your freezer and let it get even firmer if you want. But I was going to show you what else I was going to do. You get all this scraped out. So there we have it, and it's delicious, just like that, just chocolate ice cream. But I'm going to take, I don't know, about 1/2 cup of the brownies I made yesterday. Kind of mix those in. You could just use chocolate chips if you just wanted to use some vegan chocolate chips. I'm going to mix this in, and then I'm going to freeze it for like, you know, an hour. And then we will have chocolate brownie nice cream. Now you could totally, I mean, I don't know if y'all can see that consistency, but it's already like ice cream consistency. Like it's thick and delicious. So you can eat it like this if you're impatient, but I'm gonna wait and let it freeze a little bit. But there you have it, plant-based, whole food, oil-free, churned nice cream. So be sure to like and subscribe and share and try the recipes and be blessed, y'all. Thanks.